You want the status and the exotic look, but in 2026, beauty can be a trap. Today, I'm exposing 20 cars that make you look like a millionaire but will leave you broke by tomorrow. Let's dive in. The Repair Bill Royals. Looks like a $100,000 Italian masterpiece and sounds even better. But underneath that badge, it's a parts bin nightmare. You're paying Ferrari maintenance prices for Chrysler switches. The ultimate status symbol, until the air suspension gives up at a red light. In 2026, owning one of these out of warranty isn't a hobby, it's a full-time financial commitment. Those butterfly doors are iconic, but this 3-cylinder hybrid tech is aging like milk. When the high-voltage battery starts acting up, the repair bill will cost more than the car is worth. Easily one of the most stunning designs of the decade, but the electronics are notoriously haunted. It's a beautiful car to look at while it's sitting in your mechanic's driveway. The boss car of the 2010s, it's pure luxury until the magic body control fails. Then, you're looking at a repair bill that could buy you a brand new Corolla. The Depreciation Disasters. Incredible tech and world-class range, but the market is brutal. These are losing 50% of their value in the first year. It's a great car to ace, but a disaster to own. Audi luxury is top tier, but EV tech moves so fast that these become old iPhones within 24 months. Buy one today, and you'll be underwater on your loan by next Tuesday. The entry-level SUV that nobody asked for. It's trying to ride the Porsche Macan's coattails, but the resale value is currently in a freefall. The quietest, most comfortable way to lose $80,000 in depreciation. If you want a silent flex, buy this used in 3 years for pennies on the dollar. It looks exotic and sharp, but the market forgets they exist the moment they leave the showroom. You're paying a premium for a car that will be a budget. The insurance nightmares. 700 horsepower is a blast until you see the insurance quote. In 2026, theft rates on these are so high that some companies won't even write you a policy. A sleeper supercar that hits 60 in 3 seconds, but the insurance premiums are catching up to the performance. It's a high-risk target in the current market. The new era of muscle. Insurance companies are terrified of these massive batteries and high repair costs. Prepare to pay supercar insurance prices for a Dodge. Insanely fast, but a minor fender bender can result in a total loss because of the structural battery pack. Your insurance agent will not be your friend. A desert-running beast, but also a magnet for every car thief in the city. Keeping this insured and in your driveway is a 24/7 battle. The fake exotics. It has the legendary name and the aggressive looks, but once you start the engine, the secret is out. It's all show and no exotic motion. The ultimate clout chaser mistake. Putting a 5.0 badge on a 4-cylinder is the fastest way to lose respect at a car meet. A great daily driver, but slapping M stickers on a base model doesn't make it a supercar. It just makes you look like you're trying too hard. People call it the budget Bentley, but let's be real, it's a decade-old platform with a fancy grille. Everyone knows it's a Chrysler. It looks like the future of SUVs, but with the company's rocky history, you're buying a beautiful paperweight with no software support. Avoid at all costs. That's the list of 20. Some of these are amazing machines, but only if you have a second car and a massive savings account. Which one of these did you almost buy? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to know the 5 cars that actually are worth the money in 2026, click this video right here.